The aim of our Compass project is to support businesses in the integration of responsible research and innovation in their research, development and innovation activities.
Compass has received funding under the current EU Framework Programme for Research and Innovation, Horizon 2020. The project started in May 2016 and will run for 3 years. The kick-off meeting took place at the VU Vienna. The Institute for Managing Sustainability is going to be coordinator of the project.
At the Institute for Managing Sustainability at VU Vienna that I'm heading, we're working in 2 research areas which are of relevance for the Compass project. CSR, corporate social responsibility on the one hand, and sustainable development on the other. In the Compass project, we will develop tools and methods that help companies, SMEs, small and medium-sized enterprise, to implement responsible research and innovation, and we want to go beyond simple checklists.
6 partner institutions from the UK, Cyprus, Spain, Belgium and the Netherlands complement the project consortium.
Cyprus will be responsible for the fact-finding and provide a strong knowledge base for the other members in the project.
Kasha Foundation will have a triple role in Compass. We will be the communication officer, the liaison with other projects and the healthcare experts.
Practically, in the Compass project, we are going to bring together SMEs in 3 different countries on 3 different topics so that they think together about the way to achieve a responsible innovation vision and responsible innovation roadmap. The idea is that we're going to have a series of online and offline interactions so that they all together can construct the steps that they would need in order to achieve an RRI in their own companies.
Different SMEs have different needs when it comes to responsible research and innovation implementation. Some of them are already quite advanced in implementing the elements of responsible research and innovation in their internal business practices, and they have already seen the benefits that it can bring to them. Others are only starting that journey and they're still in the lookout for different and tested methods and roadmaps that can help them in implementing these elements or structure them in their internal business processes. The Responsible Innovation Compass will actually help SMEs to self-check of where they stand at the current given moment and guide them towards tailored solutions and roadmaps that can help them implement their responsible research and innovation in their practices so that they can actually reap the full benefits of it.
One of the really good examples is comes out of the Responsible Industry project, which is the precursor to this project, and it is the AmbiAct, which is an alarm system for elderly people where they plug it into an electrical socket and then they plug in a kettle or a television or something that they use relatively frequently, and it detects if they haven't used it for a while. And the way that this was engaged with responsible innovation techniques is that it was co-created with the stakeholders, with the end users, and there was consistent feedback given by the end users, by the stakeholders, to the company that was producing it.
In the context of economic globalization, research and innovation are key factors for enhancing growth and competitiveness of the European industry. Responsible research and innovation, RRI, is a relatively new concept in the public debate, which has high potential for making European research and innovation more open and responsive to social needs and expectations. To this day, RRI has mainly been discussed by policymakers and researchers. Now is the time to make it a business initiative.
But for business, it's still only an emerging concept, which is mostly driven by funders at the moment. So we're looking forward on the Compass project to provide more reasons for business to get involved.
Only if we are encouraging a company's entire stakeholder group can they truly meet the needs not only of the workers and customers directly affected, but also of the larger community and the environment, and through that contribution and consideration contribute to a better world and a more shared and durable prosperity for all.
RRI, it's an holistic approach that can benefit businesses themselves. So it's not just a matter of contributing to a better world, but really to make and approach the business and the vision of a business into a different way, taking into account different dimensions and trying to balance them.
After their first meeting, the Compass Group is excited to continue the development of the project with an interdisciplinary approach.
We had a wonderful morning here where we got to know each other from different perspectives, looking at the experience of the different contact persons, and I can see that the group is full of variety of experience, of all kinds of geographical diversity. So my first impression is very good. People communicate easily with each other and they are open to ideas.